Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be working on a 2011 GMC Terrain. And today we're gonna be working on the headlights. We're gonna be replacing this low beam bulb. We have already with us a brand new bulb. So let's get started. So to access the bulb, all you need is to go behind the front tire and turn it outwards, and so you can be able to access the dust cover, which is held by a screw. So you need either a screwdriver or an impact. There's a hex bit, and then you're gonna turn the cover like that, and when you look inside there is another cover that you're gonna need to remove. That cup right there, just turn to the left, and then there you go. You can access the bulb itself. Choose to the left, and there is up there is a clip. So here there is it was held by this clip right here, and out with that old one, and here comes the new one. Same way you remove the old one is the same way pulling the new one. Put it back, and it's gonna be a twist towards your right hand. Make sure you put it and it's snug right there, and then you gotta put your cover back on. It's a little bit hectic, but you gotta work on it. Make sure you turn towards your right hand, and it should be able to snug in there. Be easy, so you have to work your way around it. Make sure the clips get inside correctly and it's tight. That's it. Is that in there? Nice. Alright, nice and tight. And then the bigger cover, that one is just a twist. And put back on the little nut. Hand tighten first, and then you can either use a screwdriver or an impact drill. I'm gonna use an impact drill. Be careful so you don't strip the bolt. And well, that's it. Let's test the lights. Make sure that it's actually working. The advice is to test the light before you actually put on the cover. Alright, it's the one we change out, and it's working nice and lovely. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.